Hey guys, I'm back. It's been a while since I've posted a video. Haven't had time, and when I did have time, to be honest with you, I got some locks that have been kicking my ass. So I got this new package in yesterday from REDEYE. Figured I got some free time. Might as well see if we can get one open. I don't know where I want to start. I haven't heard of Binco before, and I haven't had a Jeff Moss lock before, so it's as good a place to start as any, I guess. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. Sorry guys, my tripod on carpet is not very damn stable. Alright, I'm gonna go with my short hook or number one hook or whatever the hell Peterson's calls it. And let's try this tension wrench. Too big. There we go. That one will work. Alright, let's see what we can get here. I hope the lighting's bright enough. It's been pouring the rain here. Everything's springy so far. Oh, there's one. Like that's number 4. If I can get under it. Gotta click on it. Click on 5. Nothing on that pass. Not getting any feedback. I think I may have overset something already. That didn't take long. Alright, let's reset and try this again. There we go. Click on 4 again. Another and another. See if I can get under 5. One of those might have been 5 because I'm not getting anything now. Just dropped something. Off to a hell of a start here. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I'm dropping all kinds of shit. I guess this is what happens. You start a new job, trying to move, and you don't have time to sit here and pick. turn on the core there. A little bit off of one. That's 3, I believe. And there it is, open on 2. Not too bad for being rusty, but apparently I need some more practice. Let's get this out of the way. I'll tell you what, I can't wait to get moved into the new place. Have a room to myself dedicated just to me picking. Alright, let's get this thing opened up. May try my luck at that Sergeant next. Pick me. Pin that one up. Alright, follower, where are you? There we go. Alright, like I got a key here. There we go, everything's in it and moving, working. I didn't show at the beginning, I guess, I forgot. There's the bitting on the key. Alright, let's see what we have here. One is standard, 2 standard, 3 is standard, 4 is standard, shit, 5 is standard, does not, wait a minute, light's bright. Doesn't look like there's anything been done to the core. Let's see what we got up top, guys. One is a spool, deep spool. Wow, that's a beautiful pin. Serrated spool. 3 is standard. 4 is serrated. And 5 is, what the hell is that? Yeah, it's a little spool. Okay. Couldn't tell for sure. Not sure which way that thing came out either. I'll have to go back and watch the video, but let's check this core out. Damn, that light's bright. Guys, I'm sorry about that. Didn't realize it was going to be so bright when I bought it. Doesn't look like anything's been done to the core, or to the Bible, I guess. Sorry about that. Yeah, everything looks good. Springs all appear to be uniform, so I'm not going to drag them out of there and make a bigger mess. Zoom in here and get a better look at these pins. My camera will cooperate. Alright, all the key pins are standard. And then up top, number one, we got a really deep spool. 2 is a serrated spool. 3 is standard. 4 is serrated. And 5 is a really shallow spool. So that's what we have here in this Binco mortise. Thanks everybody for watching. Let's keep it legal and keep it fun. Thank you.